I'm Dave.
I'm Pam, and we love our Green Knight metal roof.
I spoke with several residents in the neighborhood who had the Green Knight metal roofing installed, and after speaking with them, it was an easy decision to select Green Knight metal roofing.
We had heard that Green Knight metal roofing had a great reputation in the neighborhood, so we chose them.
When the workers arrived, I found them to be very professional, very friendly. It was a new process for me, so I had several questions of which they were very happy to answer, and then they showed me what they were doing. I'd be very happy to refer Green Knight metal roofing to my friends and anybody else that's looking for a metal